Welcome to the Zeta Investing Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. In this video, we're diving into Zeta, an innovative investing platform designed specifically for couples and joint financial management. Links to the product are in the description below for your convenience. Zeta is a personal finance and investing tool built to help couples manage their finances together. One of its standout features is the ability to create shared financial goals, track spending, and manage joint accounts, all within a single platform. Zeta allows couples to link bank accounts, credit cards, and investment portfolios, providing an integrated view of their financial lives. The platform offers easy collaboration, where both partners can contribute to shared goals, whether that's saving for a vacation, buying a house, or growing a retirement fund. In terms of investing, Zeta integrates with brokerage accounts so you can monitor and adjust your investment portfolios together, but it doesn't offer direct investing within the app itself. The platform is particularly useful for couples who want to maintain transparency, streamline their financial decisions, and take a hands-on approach to growing their wealth. Zeta's features are designed to make it easy to communicate about finances and set joint goals. The app is free to use with basic functionalities, but it also offers a premium version with additional tools such as automatic bill splitting and enhanced financial tracking. However, there are a few limitations. While Zeta is excellent for managing joint financial accounts, it lacks advanced investment features such as stock trading, tax optimization tools, or portfolio analysis, which could be a deal-breaker for more seasoned investors. The platform also focuses primarily on couples, so it might not be the best option for individuals or single investors looking for a standalone investment solution. In conclusion, Zeta is a powerful tool for couples who want to manage their finances and investments in a transparent, collaborative way. It simplifies joint financial management and makes it easy for couples to align their financial goals. If you're looking for a tool to help you and your partner track and grow your finances together, Zeta is definitely worth considering.